I need to say something to you today that most people in your life have probably never had the courage to say. The colors hanging in your closet right now might be quietly working against you. And the most frustrating part, you may not even realize it. You think you are being tasteful with those taupes and charcoals. You think black keeps you looking polished and put together. But what those colors are actually doing is pulling the light straight off your face. And after 60, light near your face is everything. Here is what the style world has been sitting on for years and never told you plainly enough. There are 8 specific colors that can turn back the clock the moment you put them on. Colors that make your complexion luminous, your eyes more alive, and your entire presence absolutely electric. And today, I am naming every single one of them. Welcome back to Refined After 60. The channel where we believe that style gets better with time, and that the most beautiful version of you is not behind you. She is standing right in front of the mirror. I am so glad you are here today because what I am about to share with you is going to permanently change how you see your wardrobe. Before we get into it, if you have not yet subscribed to Refined After 60, hit that button right now and drop a comment below telling you what colors you reach for most when you are getting dressed. Be honest with yourself, because we are about to challenge everything you thought you knew. Turn on your notifications as well, because this is a community built for women who take their beauty seriously. Now, let us get into it. Here is the truth that the fashion world has never said plainly enough. Color is the single most powerful tool in your beauty arsenal. Not expensive serums, not the best foundation money can buy, color. The right shade near your face can erase years in an instant. The wrong one can pile them right back on. And here is the part that might sting a little. Almost everything the style magazines have been telling women over 60 is built on the wrong foundation entirely. They said go muted. They said neutrals are your friend. They said black, taupe, and gray are the marks of a sophisticated woman. But those are the very shades that are quietly dimming your light. Black pulls harshness into your features and creates heaviness around the eyes. Taupe dissolves your presence and robs you of energy. Gray strips the warmth from your complexion and ages you before your time. These are not timeless choices for women over 60. These are colors that work against you. And today is the day we talk honestly about that. Now here are the 8 colors that are going to change everything. Color number 1. Emerald green. I want you to understand why this particular shade is genuinely transformative for women over 60. Emerald green does something that most colors simply cannot. It throws light directly back onto your face and creates a luminous glow that makes your skin appear smooth, even, and radiantly youthful. Here is why it works. Every skin tone carries warm undertones beneath the surface. When you wear emerald green close to your face, it softens any unevenness and makes your complexion look naturally flawless. But here is where most women lose the plot. They pick the wrong green. Forest green swallows you. Lime green overwhelms you. Emerald green is where the magic lives. Deep, vivid, and commanding. It draws attention to you without shouting. Wear it in a blouse, wrap it in a scarf, put it in your earrings, and pay close attention to how people respond. They will not just notice the color, they will tell you that you look rested, refreshed, and somehow younger. That quiet compliment is the whole point. Drop a comment right now and tell me whether you own a single piece in emerald green, because if you do not, that is your first assignment starting today. Color number 2, Cobalt Blue. This is the shade that separates women who dress with intention from women who simply get dressed. And there is a real difference between those two things. Here is what makes Cobalt Blue work. It is bold enough to bounce light beautifully, but sophisticated enough that it never reads as trying too hard. It builds contrast against your skin without creating harshness. And contrast is exactly what lifts your features and makes your face look fresher and more defined. Navy sits heavy. It carries a dated quality that can work against you on mature skin. Cobalt is alive. It energizes your complexion. brightens your eyes, and makes every smile more noticeable. Pull on a cobalt blue top or blazer, and suddenly you're not just present in a room. You are the woman people are quietly watching. The one who looks vibrant, vital, and unmistakably elegant. And here's the controversial question I want you to answer honestly in the comments. Do you think most women over 60 are playing it too safe with color? Because I personally think the answer is yes. Tell me what you think below. Color number 3, soft coral. I know some of you are already shifting in your seats because coral feels like it belongs to someone younger or someone bolder. But that is precisely the reason it works so beautifully for women over 60. Soft coral gives your skin back that natural, healthy warmth that we all carried effortlessly in our younger years. Here is how it works. Coral mimics the appearance of naturally flushed, youthful skin. When you wear it near your face, it reflects warm, peachy light back onto your complexion and creates the impression that you are glowing from somewhere deep inside. The key word is soft, not neon, not the bright orange that overwhelms your face. Soft, peachy, whisper-warm coral. A coral blouse is a quiet weapon. A coral scarf can transform the most basic outfit into something beautiful. Even coral at your lips can shave years off your look when the rest of your palette supports it. This is the color that makes people ask if you have been on holiday, changed your skincare routine, or simply done something different. That quiet question is the whole point.
Color number 4, warm mustard or golden yellow. I already know what is happening in your head right now. Yellow? Stay with me, because this is one of the most extraordinarily flattering colors for women over 60, and most of us have never once properly explored it. Golden yellow, particularly those deep mustard tones, works in harmony with the natural warmth already living in mature skin. It adds radiance, richness, and that indescribable glow that reads as pure vitality. Here is the secret. Yellow reflects more visible light than almost any other color on the spectrum. When you position golden yellow near your face, it bounces light upward and illuminates your features in a way that makes your skin look lifted and gloriously healthy. Pair it with a simple neutral bottom, and you have an outfit that looks expensive, deliberate, and genuinely full of life. This is not a cautious color. This is a confident one. Tell me in the comments whether you have ever tried mustard yellow, because this single color could shift everything for you. Color number 5, plum or aubergine. This one is for the woman who wants elegance but absolutely refuses to blend into the background. Plum is deep enough to feel refined and mature, but it carries enough warmth and richness to add genuine life to your complexion. Here is why plum works where black fails. It gives you drama and depth without the severity. It works with your complexion rather than against it. A plum blouse for an evening out is genuinely stunning. A plum knit for a casual afternoon is effortlessly sophisticated. And plum accessories can carry even the simplest outfit into something with real visual weight and intention. This is the color that quietly communicates everything worth communicating. I am elegant, I am grounded, and I am still very much vibrant. Timeless without ever being forgettable. If you are not yet subscribed to Refined After 60, now is your moment. We are sharing color and style wisdom like this every single week. Hit that subscribe button and join the women who are growing into their most beautiful, most confident selves. Color number 6, turquoise or teal. These shades act like an instant brightness treatment for your entire face. They are fresh, energizing, and alive, and they make mature skin look extraordinary in a way that very few colors can match. Turquoise has this specific quality of making your eyes appear more vivid and your smile more open and warm. It draws attention upward toward your face in the most flattering possible direction. And teal brings enough depth and sophistication to keep the look grounded and polished rather than playful.
A turquoise statement necklace can transform the most understated outfit. A teal blouse can make you the most memorable woman in any room you walk into. These colors do not whisper, they declare. And what they declare is this: I am present, I am vibrant, and I am absolutely unforgettable. Color number 7, crisp white. Before you skip past this one thinking white is too simple or too plain, hear me out, because the specific white matters enormously. Not cream, not ivory, not eggshell or antique white. Crisp, clean, true white. Here is what real white accomplishes. It creates a beautiful contrast against your skin that makes your complexion look richer, more even, and more radiant. It reflects light in every direction, which brightens your whole face. And it communicates a kind of modern confidence that very few colors can replicate. A perfectly tailored white blouse near your face is genuinely transformative. A white blazer is a statement of strength. A white dress is pure, timeless elegance. The only rule is to keep it immaculate. Dingy white works against you. Crisp white works powerfully for you. That distinction matters more than most women realize. Color number 8, burgundy. This is the bold, refined sister of red. Striking enough to command a room, sophisticated enough to never feel excessive. Burgundy works in concert with the natural warmth in mature skin and does something remarkable with it. It adds depth without heaviness. It creates presence without volume. And it works for every context, from a Tuesday morning meeting to a Saturday evening dinner. A burgundy dress is genuinely show-stopping. A burgundy blouse is effortlessly composed. Even burgundy in your accessories can elevate an entire outfit from ordinary to deeply memorable. This is the color that says everything worth saying. I know exactly who I am. I know what honors me, and I am not remotely apologetic about looking this magnificent. So let us bring it all together. The 8 colors that make women over 60 look younger and more radiant. Emerald green for that luminous face glow. Cobalt blue for modern electric energy. Soft coral for the natural warm flush of youth. Golden mustard for warmth and deep radiance. Plum for sophisticated elegance with genuine vibrancy. Turquoise and teal for the brightness that announces your presence. Crisp white for maximum contrast and contemporary confidence. And burgundy for rich, deeply beautiful self-assurance. These 8 colors are not arbitrary. Each one does a specific job of illuminating your features and creating a visual impression of youth and vitality that no amount of neutrals can ever replicate. But knowing the colors is only the beginning. Wearing them correctly is where the real transformation happens. And this is exactly where most women leave results on the table. Mistake number 1, positioning color at the bottom instead of at the top. This is fundamental. The colors that create the most powerful impact need to live near your face. Tops, blouses, scarves, blazers, and jewelry. Not trousers, not skirts. Your face is what the world reads first. Frame it correctly with the right shades. Mistake number 2, choosing these colors in poor quality fabrics. Even the most perfect color is diminished by cheap, stiff, or dull fabric. Seek out fabric that moves, drapes, and breathes. Silk, fine jersey knits, quality woven cotton. Materials that make the color look like it was made specifically for you. Mistake number 3, wearing bold colors without balance. You do not need to commit from head to toe. Pair that emerald green blouse with a neutral trouser. Wear that burgundy top with clean white. Balance is what transforms a bold color into something sophisticated and intentional.
And here is the final secret that pulls everything together. Your makeup must harmonize with your color choices rather than compete with them. When the color is vivid, like cobalt blue, let your makeup stay clean and fresh. When the color is softer, like coral, you can afford a touch more drama at the eye. The goal is always cohesion. Every element working in the same direction to create one stunning, confident, and radiant image. Here is the challenge I am leaving with you today. Open your closet right now
and count how many of these 8 colors you actually own. If your honest answer is fewer than 4, you have some beautiful shopping ahead of you. You do not need a full wardrobe overhaul. You need the right pieces in the right colors. 1 emerald green blouse, 1 cobalt blue top, 1 soft coral scarf, 1 mustard cardigan, 1 plum sweater, 1 turquoise statement piece, 1 crisp white shirt, 1 burgundy dress. Those 8 pieces will transform how you look, how you feel, and how the world sees you. Because here is the deepest truth in all of this. Looking younger after 60 is not about resisting who you are. It is about understanding what honors you right now, in this season, in this skin. And color is the most powerful, most affordable, most immediate tool available to you. You do not need surgery. You do not need expensive treatments. You need the right colors near your face, worn with intention and confidence. And when you do that, something shifts. People stop seeing a number. They see your energy. They see your presence. They see your beauty. That is what makes you look younger. Not the years behind you, but the radiance you carry right now. If this opens something up for you today, show this video some love. Like it and subscribe to Refined After 60 if you have not already. Turn on your notifications so you never miss a single thing we share here. And drop a comment telling me which of these 8 colors you are going to wear first. I want to know. And while you are down there, tell me where you are watching from. Are you in New York, London, Toronto, Sydney, Lagos, Nairobi? Let me know, because this community is worldwide, and every single one of us is growing more beautiful together. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing to invest in yourself. And thank you for being the kind of woman who refuses to let time dull what she has built. You are remarkable. You are powerful. And you deserve colors that say exactly that about you. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we are going into the specific color combinations that work best for different skin undertones, so you can stop guessing and start dressing with real precision. You do not want to miss it. Turn on that notification bell right now. Until then, keep glowing, keep rising, and keep showing the world that women over 60 are not stepping back. We are stepping fully, beautifully, and colorfully into everything we were always meant to be. Stay refined, stay radiant, stay exactly who you are. See you in the next one.